Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up the portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle. So for me it's right over here on the second page. Oops, I just clicked on my calculator. So there we go. So once you find it, if you're doing this for the first time, and considering that you're watching this video, you most likely are, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. So from here, click on the personal hotspot settings and start off by typing on a password, because as you can see, password that comes with the device is just some randomly generated trash. So we can remove this and set our own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now while you're here, you can also change things like the hotspot name if you want to, and this will be visible, so you don't need to worry about it. And additionally, you can also change the AP band right here from 2.4 to 5 gigahertz. Now if you are not sure what this is, kind of quickly explaining it, it's just a transmission of the Wi-Fi. 2.4 gigahertz is basically used by every smartphone, any smart device that has Wi-Fi connectivity, while the 5 gigahertz one will be faster and more stable, but not every device will support it, only the newer ones. So choose whichever one you want. Now if you are not sure, you can select the 5 gigahertz, and when you turn on your hotspot and the device that you're trying to connect to this hotspot with simply does not see your hotspot by this name that is right here, then it means that it just doesn't support the 5 gigahertz. And to fix this problem, go back here, change this back to 2.4, save it, and you're all set. And lastly, we have visible to other devices. Keep this on. If you disable it, your hotspot will not show up in the list of Wi-Fi's, and you will need to add it manually by basically going in the Wi-Fi list all the way to the bottom, selecting add hotspot, providing the correct name for it and also the password. So I wouldn't recommend turning that off. So once you went through the settings, customize them to your liking, you can toggle it on from here, or you have the quick toggle and your notifications are right up here. So you can simply tap on it, turn it on and off. So once you turn it on, I do recommend you to remember about it. It does consume a little bit more battery, and if you're not using it, there's really no reason for it to be running in the background. So simply tap on it again and this will turn it off. And additionally, the hotspot does use the same antennas that you use for Wi-Fi. So when you enable your hotspot, you will not have your Wi-Fi anymore. So you will only be using your mobile data. So as you can see right now, I can just kind of showcase this. We have Wi-Fi enabled. I'm not touching it. I'm just gonna swipe to the other side, turn that on, swipe back, and you can see that Wi-Fi is now disabled because it's using the same kind of antennas to broadcast your hotspot through. So you can either use one or the other. But once you disable it, as you can see, it re-enables Wi-Fi. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.